Hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
hello. Am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
आवाज आ रहा है मेरा?
You are audible,
ओके.
sir.
स्क्रीन दिख रही है आप लोगों को? ओके.
Yes,
So the next experiment, all of you covered up to the 8, correct? So the next is
voice is
nothing but the
lagging, sir.
practical number 9. Okay, and the practical number 9 is nothing but data using MATLAB software. Now, because the environment is a very cloudy, so that's why this network issue will be associated.
Sir, your voice
Okay,
is
so please
breaking.
adjust that. Now I'm clear. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
But the screen is visible to you. Hello.
Yes,
A
sir.
screen. What about the screen?
Screen is visible, sir.
Hello. Now am I audible? Okay. So focus on the screen. Okay. Hello. Now I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, so the next practical is practical number 9. That is we have, in that we have to code one MATLAB coding for to get the torque exerted by prime mover. Okay, for a given data. Okay, so means that is the we have to find out the torque exerted by prime mover. That is nothing but the dynamo. That is nothing but the long shunt DC generator. Okay, so first write down the problem statement. Okay, problem statement down in the manual too. Okay, hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक है, लिखो a long shunt dynamo running at 1000 rpm, supply 220-volt armature resistance, shunt field resistance, and series field resistance R 0.05 ohm, 110 ohm, and 0.06 respectively. Overall efficiency at above is hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लिहिलं का तुम्ही? नोट डाऊन केलं का? एग्जाम प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. हेलो. अभी भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है क्या मेरा? लेकिन अभी आवाज आ रहा है क्या मेरा? सो यू हैव टू गिव अ रिस्पॉन्स ना. वॉट एवर यू हैव प्रॉब्लम प्लीज से मी दैट. तो आधा हुआ है. आवाज तो आ रहा है ना? ओके रुको. हाँ, ठीक है 2 मिनट. दिख रही है क्या स्क्रीन? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. ओके, स्क्रीनशॉट लो इसका। हो गया? हो गया क्या?
Yes, sir.
बाय प्राइम मूवर। देखो क्या है, a long shunt dynamo running at a 1000 rpm supply 220 volt armature resistance, shunt field resistance and series field resistance are 0.05 ohm, 110 ohm and 0.06 ohm respectively. That is, armature resistance is given as a 0.05 ohm, shunt field resistance, that is the RSH, is given as an 110 ohm, and RSE, that is the series field resistance, is given as an 0.06 ohm. Okay, and the overall efficiency at above load is given as an 88%. Okay, so we have to find out the copper loss and the torque exerted by the prime mover by using the MATLAB coding. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So first I will provide you a theoretical solution, and after that I have the MATLAB coding. Okay. कल हमने ये कोड बनाया था ए बैच के लिए। सो अभी ड्यू टू नेटवर्क इश्यू अभी हम दूसरा नहीं बना सकते क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरा कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो रहा है। सो मैं आपको यही रन करके बताऊंगा। ओके, हेलो।
Yes, sir.
ओके, दिख रही स्क्रीन आपको?
Yes, sir.
सो अभी देखो, इसके लिए डायग्राम बनेंगे। प्लीज डॉट एक डायग्राम। ओके, so this is the RSH, that is the shunt field resistance, then this is the armature, and here the RSC is connected, here the RSC is connected, then here the load is connected, this is the terminal voltage V. Okay, then this is the load current IL, this is the shunt field current, that is the IS, then this is the IA, armature current, here the RA. Okay, armature resistance. Okay, this is the long shunt DC generator. Okay, draw the diagram. Hello, this is the rough diagram, but you have to draw properly in your manual. हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
हो गए सभी का? हो गए? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
तो अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि मैन्युअली कैसे निकालेंगे टॉर्क एक्सर्टेड एंड कॉपर लॉसेस. सो अभी टॉर्क एक्सर्टेड जो है, ओके, सो इट इज डिनोटेड बाय द टाउ एंड इट विल बी गिवन बाय द P input, okay, input power into 60 divided by the 2 pi n. Okay, so n we have, okay, this is the constant, this is constant, but we don't have a p in. So first we have to find out the p in, okay, that is the input power. Okay, so to get the p in we have the efficiency and the output power. Okay, efficiency is nothing but your efficiency is nothing but output upon input, correct? Hello, हेलो, अगर रिस्पांस देते होंगे तो प्रैक्टिकल कंडक्ट होगा, नहीं तो मैं यहाँ पे एंड करूंगा. आवाज आ रहा है कि मेरा प्रॉपरली?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो फिर रिस्पांस देने
Yes,
को
sir.
क्या हो रहा है आप लोगों को? मैं अभी एंड करूंगा फिर प्रैक्टिकल, अगर मुझे अभी रिस्पांस नहीं मिला तो. आएगा ध्यान में?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So efficiency is given by the output upon input. From that we can find out the P input. Okay. Now the question mark is for the how to find out the copper losses. Okay. So this copper losses can be defined or the denoted by the WC, and this is nothing but your IA square RA plus ISH square RSH plus IA square into RAC. Okay, so we have RAC, we have RSH, we have RA. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of the IA, we have to find out the value of the ISH. Okay, and also we have to find out the value of the IL, because to get the IA we require the value of the IL. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so one by one we will go for that. So first we will find out the ISH. ISH is nothing but your ISH is nothing but shunt field current. Okay, and it is given by the V by RSH. Okay, so what will be the value of the V? It is nothing but the 220. Okay, divided by the RSH, it's a 110. So it comes to 2 ampere. Okay, write down. This part you have to write down in a calculation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next is nothing but the IL. So IL is given as an 220 kilowatts दिया है ना, P output बराबर है 220 kilowatts. So it's a 220 sorry 222 000 divided by the V 220. So it's a 100 ampere बराबर है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके. चलो हो गया यहाँ तक, यहाँ तक किसी
Yes.
को दिक्कत? ओके. Then now we have to find out the IA. So IA is nothing but the ISH plus IL. Okay, so ISH कितना है 2 and the IL is 100. So it's a 102 ampere. Okay, IA. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, हो गया यहाँ तक?
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have to find out the total copper loss, that is the We have to find out the total copper loss, that is WC. So this is nothing but your IS square RA plus ISH square RSH plus IA square RSE. ओके, लिख लो यहां तक, हो गया? होने के बाद बताओ, डन?
Yes, sir.
हो गया सर.
ओके ओके. Now we will put that value. So total copper loss. So IA is 102 square into RA is 0.05 बराबर है, प्लस ISH it's 2 square into RSH is 110, okay, plus IA is I is a 102 square into RSC is equal to 0.06. Okay, if you find out that, what will be the value? Calculate that. What will be the value? Hello. Hello. कितना आ रहा है वैल्यू? हेलो, बाकी लोग नहीं कर रहे हो कि कैन कैलकुलेट? ओनली वन क्या पर्सन?
नहीं सर कर रहे.
देखो कितना आता है. मेरा आया है 1.584 किलोवाट. इतना आता है कि चेक करो. 1.584 किलोवाट आया आपका?
Yes, sir. आ गया.
ओके, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ओके, देन नेक्स्ट, दिस इज द टोटल कॉपर लॉस हमने फाइंड आउट किया. अभी हमें क्या चाहिए? टॉर्क एक्साइटेड. सो उसके लिए पहले हमें P इनपुट, दैट इज द इनपुट पावर फाइंड आउट करना है, और वो हम करेंगे इफिशियंसी से. हमें इफिशियंसी दिया है. सो इफिशियंसी इज इक्वल टू आउटपुट, that is the P output upon P input into 100. Okay, बराबर है. So it's 88 is equal to P output कितना है? 22 kilowatt. So 22,000 P input into 100 कितना आता है बताओ? आता है क्या इतना? आता है क्या इतना? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then अभी torque exerted, that is the tau. So torque exerted tau is given as a P input into 60 divided by 2 pi n. So torque is equal to 2500 into 60 divided by 2 pi on 1000. So कितना आता है? आता है इतना? हेलो,
यस सर।
आ गया? सो अभी ये हो गया आपका थेरोटिकल। ओके, अभी हम आपको मैं कल जो हमने किया था प्रोग्राम वो है मेरे पास, वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ। ओके, रुको 2 मिनट, मैं देख रहा हूँ कनेक्ट हो रहा है कि नहीं। तो ओके, हेलो।
ओके सर।
Yes, sir.
हेलो, दिख रहा है आपको
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
प्रोग्राम?
सर।
वो देखो अभी, P इज नथिंग बट द P इनपुट, P आउटपुट है वो। ठीक है, N इज नथिंग बट द स्पीड, V इज नथिंग बट द वोल्टेज, RA, RSE that is the armature resistance, shunt field resistance, series field resistance. N is nothing but the efficiency. So here I am defining N is equal to 0.88. Okay, so if you define the 0.88, then here when you calculate the P in, okay, so here you don't go for the multiplication of the 100. Okay, if you take the 88, then only you can take in a multiplication as an 100. Okay, hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes
Okay,
Yes,
sir।
sir.
so
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir.
first we find out the ISH, V by RSH, then the IL, that is the load current, P by V, that is the P output by V, then the IA, I is nothing but the ISH plus IL. Then we find out the total copper loss, so that is the WC is equal to IS square into RSC plus ISH square plus into ISH, uh, and plus I square plus RE. Okay, that is the total copper loss. And then we find out the next, that is the input power, that is the P output upon efficiency. And at the last, we find out the torque exerted. Okay, hello,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes sir. ओके, 2 मिनट, ये फिर से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है, मैं फिर से कनेक्ट करता हूँ। दिख रहा है? हेलो।
Yes, sir.
ओके, देखो अभी मैं रन करता हूँ इसको। ओके, देखो आ गया आउटपुट, ये देखो। टॉर्क, ओके, ये देखो WC। ओके, हेलो।
Yes, sir.
और ये इसके जो स्क्रीनशॉट है ना, आप ए बैच से ले लो। ओके, हेलो।
Okay, sir.
Okay,
तो
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
यहाँ पे हम एंड करते हैं। मुझे अटेंडेंस लेने दो पहले।